guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am a little bit late with getting this video out. This video should have went up on Monday, but I'm a little bit late, but that's okay. I am still getting it out. So today we are going to be stuffing our cash envelopes and our sinking funds. But before I get into this video, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and hit that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started, you guys. So we're going to go ahead and start with our sinking fund binders first. And I'm going to go ahead and start with the gold and white one. So the first envelope we have is birthday, and birthday is completely empty, you guys. I went ahead and took all of the birthday money out, and today I am just going to be stuffing birthday with $25. So we have 20 and 5. I'm just basically, I really don't have a goal with this. I'm just going to be stuffing it and just letting it build so that just in case something comes around, I will have a budget for it. And then Christmas is going to be getting stuffed with $12 today. So we have 10, 11, and 12. Homeschool is going to be getting stuffed with $7. So we have 5, 6, 7. Next up we have YouTube, and YouTube is going to be getting stuffed with 7 as well. So we have 5, 6, and 7. And just in case you are new to my channel, the only thing I do is stuff my sinking funds and my cash envelopes. I do not count my sinking funds because I wait until the end of each month and then I count all of my sinking funds together. So the only thing I do is just stuff them. So I just wanted to say that just in case you are new to my channel. And so for giveaway is going to be getting 15. So a 10 and a 5. And you guys, we are almost to 5K subscribers. So I'm excited about that. And then we have car maintenance. Car maintenance is going to be getting 13. So we have 10, 11, 12, and 13. And then we have car registration, and car registration is going to be getting 13 as well. So 10, 11, 12, 13. And then we have YouTube taxes. YouTube taxes is also going to be getting 13. So 10, 11, 12, and 13. And then we have cell phone, and cell phone is going to be getting $19. So 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Okay, so that is everything in my gold and white sinking fund binder. And now we're going to move on over to the black sinking fund binder. First up we have Shania, and Shania is going to be getting stuffed with $7 today. So 5, 6, 7. Qantas Jr. is going to be getting stuffed with 7 as well. So 5, 6, 7. Mommy is going to be getting stuffed with 7. So we have 5, 6, 7. And then Daddy is also going to be getting stuffed with 7. So we have 5, 6, and 7. And then lastly, we have vacation. And vacation is going to be getting stuffed with $25. No, actually $20. So we have 20. If I have an extra $5 left over, that means I'm supposed to have stuffed vacation with 25. But I think I changed it to 20, so we'll see. And so that's everything for my black sinking fund binder. I actually have some more sinking fund envelopes that I am going to create because I have more stuff that I need to save for. I just have not gotten around to doing those envelopes yet. And so now we are going to be seeing what's left over in our cash envelopes. So first up is groceries. And honestly, I don't think we spent anything in groceries. So I think we still have $100. So 20, 40, 60, 81. Yes, so we still have $100 left over from groceries. So I'm just going to put this to the side and put this in my extra money envelope. And then we're going to go ahead and stuff groceries with the $100. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And then for eating out, we have some money left over. We have 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, and 76. So I am going to put the 20 and the 10 to the side in the extra money envelope. This $5 is going into my $5 savings challenge, and then this $1 is going into my $1 savings challenge. And then I'm going to be stuffing eating out today with $100. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And then self-care. I know for sure that I have not used self-care yet. Self-care has $60. I'm going to put this to the side in my extra money envelope, and then I'm going to go ahead and stuff it with $60. And then for a haircut, my husband actually did get his haircut. So with this $20, I'm just going to put this over here so that I can put this into my deposit back into the bank envelope. And I'm going to go ahead and grab another $20 bill for a haircut. And then we have spending money. And I don't think we spent anything for spending money. If not, we should still have 50, and we do. So that's extra money. And then we're going to go ahead and grab $50 for spending money. Okay, and for kids, we didn't have to use anything for kids. So extra money pile, go ahead and grab $50 for kids. Okay, and then we have miscellaneous, and I don't think we used anything for miscellaneous either. So $40 extra money, and I'm going ahead and stuff it with another $40. And then with couponing, I don't have anything left with couponing because I did use my entire coupon budget. So we're going to be stuffing couponing today with $50. So we have 20, 40, and 50. And then for gas, we do have some money left over in gas. We have 100, 120, 140, 160. So we have 120 left over, 160 left over with gas. We're going to go ahead and put this to the side, and then we're going to be stuffing gas with $100. And so yeah, I knew that if I was left with a $5, then this meant that I was supposed to have stuffed vacation with $25. But I thought I changed it to $20. So we're going to go ahead and just add add that $5 to vacation. Okay, and then here are my receipts right here. I already scanned my receipts to the Fetch Rewards app, and I went ahead and got my points for all of these. So I'm just going to put these to the side. And then I do have some coins here. And I'm going to put these inside of my coin jar. Okay, and so that is everything for my cash envelope binder. And so we have $20 that's going back into the bank, and then we have all of this right here as extra money. So let's see how much extra money we have for this week. Okay, so for extra money, we have 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 320, 340, 360, 380, 400, 420, 440, 460, 480, 500, 510, 520, 530. Okay. So $530. This is really a shock because I've never had this much money extra left over from my cash envelopes. So this is actually, I'm actually impressed. So again, you guys, I just put my extra money into this extra money envelope, and we already have some money in here right now. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and stuff this in here. And then I'm going to put this into my, I guess I can go ahead and do that now. Here's my $5 saving challenge. I had the, I went ahead and started over. And then here is my $1 saving challenge. This one right here usually fills up the quickest because I'm always having $1 bills whenever I'm spending money. So I probably can't even stuff anything else in here. So this is my ones. This one is in my fives. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button if you are not subscribed to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, let me know that you're new. So go ahead and introduce yourself in the comment section below. So that is going to be it, you guys. Share this video with your friends and your family, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.